Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you play Sonic Adventure 2 on RetroArch. First, you will need to download the RetroArch application from its official website. Make sure to get the correct version for your operating system. Next, acquire the necessary Dreamcast BIOS files, often named DC Boot, Bin, and DC Flash. Bin. Finally, find the Sonic Adventure 2 game ROM in a compatible format such as CHD or GDI. Once you have these three essential components, you are ready to begin the installation process. Now that RetroArch is installed, let's get the Dreamcast emulator running. Open RetroArch and go to the main menu. Select Load Core, then download a core. Scroll down and locate the Sega Dreamcast/Naomi Flycast core. Install this core, as it is crucial for playing Dreamcast titles. After installation, place your previously downloaded Dreamcast BIOS files directly into RetroArch's system directory. This step is vital for the flight. To ensure the best online experience, consider a few optimizations. A wired Ethernet connection provides superior stability and lower latency compared to Wi-Fi, which is crucial for competitive play. Close any unnecessary applications running on your PlayStation 5 to free up system resources. Adjusting in-game graphics settings can also improve your frame rate. Always keep your game and PlayStation 5 system software updated to the latest versions for peak performance and security. To enhance your Sonic Adventure 2 experience, consider adjusting video settings. You can increase the internal resolution for sharper graphics or change the aspect ratio to suit your display. Experiment with various shaders available in RetroArch to give the game a unique visual flair. If you encounter any issues, such as the game not loading, check the RetroArch logs for error messages. Many common problems have solutions readily available on online forums and community wikis, ensuring a smooth gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.